Want to know how to reverse a sentence in Java? So, reversing a sentence basically means flipping the order of its words, not just the characters. So, for example, I love Java should become Java love I. So, in this code 2 right here, we have used a string that is Java is from. So, what we do is first off, we just simply split the string. So, we have split s dot split because we have named the string s. Now, what you do is this split gives us array of words. Then we loop it backward through that array and print each word. So we have used this for loop right here. And once that is done, we just simply print it out and that's it. Super simple and easy. The logic is very straightforward. But the concept is useful because string manipulation is one of the most common interview topics in Java. This method helps you understand how to handle arrays, loops and string splitting in a single program. So I'm just going to run this code to show you, and there you have it, the output as well. It's converted into font is Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.